Main course, the most amazing salmon en croûte. Sounds very complicated, but so easy if you follow these guidelines. Now, lightly flour your bench. Roll out the pastry. If you bought in ready-made pastry, then sometimes it comes a little bit thick, so just roll it a little bit thinner. Get your salmon, which has already been stuffed, on to the short crust, and then basically egg wash. Paste the pastry generously with the egg wash. Don't flood the pastry with egg wash, otherwise it becomes too soggy to wrap. Now, give that a little season inside. Cut a really nice sort of border around the outside. 2.5 to 3 inches on each side, and minimum 4.5 to 5 inches either side of the salmon. Lift up and pull that right over, and tuck that again over. Push the pastry into the salmon, egg wash these little corners, and then push your knife down, the back of the knife down, so you get this really nice tight lip there, and then just lift the whole thing onto the baking tray. Keep it nice and tight, gently, with a brush. Egg wash the salmon. Nice long horizontal strokes. From there, take the back of your paring knife and basically just score. Don't push through the pastry. Just nice and gently, as to mark it, to give it some form of decoration, which looks great when it comes out of the oven. Get the back of your knife and just line up those portions so as you know where to cut. Each half into half. That gives you 4 nice slices of salmon en croûte. Finally, really nice seasoning. Again, salt, pepper. We've got the decoration there, and more importantly for me, those 4 nice portions marked before you bake your salmon en croûte in the oven.